Utilizing ClickUp for task management involves a systematic approach to organize, collaborate, and track progress efficiently. Here's a brief guide. Create an account. Sign up for a ClickUp account and log in to access the platform. Set up workspace and teams. Organize your tasks by creating workspaces for different projects or teams within ClickUp. Create spaces and folders. Divide your workspaces into spaces and folders to categorize tasks based on departments, projects, or any relevant structure. Add lists and tasks. Within folders, create lists representing specific components of your project and add individual tasks to each list. Assign tasks and due dates. Assign tasks to team members and set due dates for timely completion. This enhances accountability and helps prioritize work. Use custom statuses. Customize task statuses to reflect where each task stands in its life cycle. This provides a quick overview of progress. Utilize checklists and subtasks. Break down complex tasks into checklists or subtasks, allowing for a more detailed view of the work involved. Attach files and comments. Enhance task details by attaching relevant files and utilizing the comments section for discussions and updates. Explore different views. ClickUp offers various views like board view, list view, and calendar view. Choose the view that suits your preferences and project needs. Integrate with apps. Streamline your workflow by integrating ClickUp with other apps and tools your team uses for seamless collaboration.